In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an image signature in Adobe Reader. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open the document, go to the right-hand side here, and you want to click on Fill and Sign. In here, you want to go to Sign Yourself up top and click on Add Signature. Here you have three options. You want to click on Image, and in here you can select the image. So by default, it's going to open your images, or you can just click on Select Image over here and select it. So to do this, the best way is just to basically write down your signature on a piece of paper. You, of course, should make the paper as white as possible for the best result. And then whenever you do that, you can just take a picture, upload it onto your computer, and then find it over here. For example, I have this one over here. I'm going to click on it and click on Open. Then it's going to basically import that in. As you can see, it's going to look like this. For me, it's quite clear. And you can click on the Apply button. And whenever you do that, you'll be able to basically click anywhere you want, and that's going to put your signature in place over there. So you can then resize it, move it around, do whatever you want with it. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.